Introducing the ZETA Street Sonic Handguards, designed for street use, adventure, and light trails. The polycarbonate shield deflects wind, debris, and light impacts. Tough, lightweight, and weather resistant. Mounts directly to the bar ends. No need for any bulky brackets. Adjust it for whatever bike, riding position, or style best suits you, and keep it in place with a simple twist of a hex wrench. Check out our website, linked below, for full details on our GB350S builds.